everybody and welcome to my channel. Yes, you guys, I am bringing you the Walgreens ad preview for August 23rd to August 29th. I don't know, I'm debating on still doing these videos. I like doing them because for me then I kind of know what's coming on sale and then I'll know what kind of deals to do. But I feel like I don't get as many views to do it, and then I don't know if you guys want me to continue doing these, please let me know. But I kind of might stop doing this just because I'm not getting the views and it's not worth all the work. But yeah, so here we got the deals of the week. As you see, the big bowl of cereal, which is a mixture of a bunch of stuff. I kind of looked at it, I'm like, ooh, and then I'm like, I don't feel the greatest. So that just kind of made me sick because it's Fruit Loops with marshmallows and it doesn't seem very appetizing to me. But there looks like there's going to be a 50-cent off digital coupon, making them $1.49. Now we do have $1 off of 2 in the $7.26 retail may not. So if you guys want to use that and get 2 boxes of cereal, go for it. And then you can submit your receipt to the Kellogg's Family Rewards and you guys can get points. Plus it also qualifies for a free book. Then we have All and Snuggle. It's going to be $2.88. I think most likely we are getting coupons for it, but it looks like there's going to be $1 off digital coupon, making them $1.88. So if you guys want to do that. The Crest toothpaste is $3. You guys want to buy 3 of them. There is going to be a 5 off of 3 digital coupon. You would only pay $4, but then you get 4,000 points when you buy 3 of them. Comes out to be just absolutely free. Now it says it looks like it's for the toothpaste and mouthwash. So if you guys need to stock up on mouthwash. Now here we got Scott's bathroom tissue, or Scott's paper towels and toilet paper, and then the Kleenex boxes. So they're always going to be $5, and then in the Walgreens booklet we have a $1.25 off coupon. Plus it looks like we are getting a $1 off digital coupon. So you guys will get those for $2.75. That is a great price. And then you can submit your receipt to Fetch Rewards and you guys get points for that. So if you need to go for it. Dove is $5.99. There's a 2 off of 2 coupon. Not really anything exciting. Big Pens down here, they are buy one get one free. Now we do have a $1 off of 2, or $1.50 off of 2 coupon in the 8-9 Smart Source. So depending on what kind of deals there are, you guys might be able to, you can use that coupon. Just letting you guys know with that. And then they have the Aveeno and Almay, buy one get one 50% off, and then you get a $4 register reward when you buy 2. We just received some coupons in the 8-16 Smart Source, so if you guys need to go for that, go for it. Then we have the, I went back too far. We have the Arm & Hammer, buy one get one free. I don't know when those coupons ended, but there was a digital coupon if you guys need to use that. The Dixie plates are buy one get one free. Usually those are $3.99, and then we're getting a $1 off of 2 coupon, so you guys would end up paying $2.99. So it comes out to be just about $1.49 a piece. There used to be deals in the Savings Star ad. Not sure if there will be, but if you guys need to go for it, definitely check that out when you go shopping. They have the All in the Downy on sale for $2.99. We're getting a $1 off digital coupon, making it $1.99. That's usually what I see those prices for anyways, which is a pretty good deal, or decent deal. Lots of chip deals, candy deals. On the bottom left, they have the Trident Gum. Now it looks like they're 2 for $2, and then there's a 50 cents off a 2 Walgreens coupon possibly. So you guys will get them for $1.50 or just 75 cents a piece if you guys need to get that. Nice bags, again, always on sale. Buy one, get 2 free. They're usually $2.79. You would pay $2.79, but they come out to be just 93 cents when you buy those. School supplies, a lot of things here and there. They got some stuff for 99 cents. Buy one, get one free. Buy one, get one 50% off. 2 for $5. 79 cents, so it just depends on what kind of deals you guys want to get for that. Beauty care products, nothing really popped out here, but they will have the L'Oreal Elvive, 2 for $8. We're getting a 4 off of 2 digital coupon. Most likely there's going to be some in the inserts. Plus there's a 2 off of 2 coupon in the Walgreens booklet, making them just $1 a piece. And you guys can submit your receipt 2, never mind. I was thinking of Fetch. Never mind. And then Garnier Fructis is 2 for $7. We are getting a 3 off of 2 digital coupon or insert, so they come out to be just $2 a piece. The King C Gillette, if you spend $20 or more, you get 10,000 points. And then the Old Spice, Secret, and Gillette deodorant is 2 for $10, and then you get a $4 register reward when you buy 4 of them. Nothing really popping out at that. But now we're gonna go to on this side right here. So they have the Colgate toothpaste for $2.99. We're getting a 3 off of 2 digital coupon, making them, you guys would end up paying where did I write this down? You guys would end up paying $2.98, but you get 3,000 points when you buy 2 of them. They'll come out to be free. Otherwise, the deal below, there is the Colgate Optic White. Those are $4.99, and there's going to be a 3 off of 2. So I think it's either deal. I don't think they're going to give us 2 3 off of 2 coupons. They could, but I highly doubt it. But for that deal, you guys would pay $6.98. You get 4,000 points. Comes out to be just $2.98. Nope, not a nope deal unless you guys need it, but you could probably wait a week and get the toothpaste free anyways. So yes, medicines and vitamins, nothing really, again, popping out. If you guys need to go for it, go for it. Buy one, get one free, buy one, get one 50% off. And that is it. That is what is going out on the Walgreens ad. So I feel like a lot of stuff is a lot of repeaters, but there might be some stuff that points out at us. But I just wanted to share with you guys on that. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys all later. Bye-bye.